Lagravante, and I'm going to discuss MARPOL 7378 and its annexes, also known as the International Convention for Prevention of Pollution from Ships. Is an international agreement aimed at the regulating and preventing pollution from ships. It was adopted from ships in 1973 and later amended in 1978. Hence the name MARPOL 7378. The convention is divided into 6 different annexes, each addressing specific types of pollution. Annex 1, Regulation for the Prevention of Pollution by Oil. This annex focuses on preventing oil pollution from ships through various measures, oil tanker design, construction, and its operational requirement. It also covers double hull tankers, oil cargo pump systems, and oil discharge prevention. Annex 2, Regulation for Prevention of Pollution by Noxious Liquid Substances in Bulk. This annex deals with the prevention of pollution from the discharge of noxious liquid substances in bulk, such as chemical hazardous and noxious substances. Annex 3, Prevention of Pollution by Harmful Substances carried by sea in package form. Annex 3 addresses the prevention of pollution from packaged dangerous goods, including requirements for storage, segregation, and handling of such substances on board ship. Annex 4, Regulation for Prevention of Pollution by Sewage from Ships. This annex focuses on the prevention of pollution from shipboard sewage, including requirement for sewage treatment, discharge standards, and operational guidelines. Annex 5, Regulation of Prevention of Pollution by Garbage from Ship. Annex 5 aims to regulate the disposal of garbage from ships, including requirements for garbage management, segregation, disposal methods, and also covers the use of incinerators and garbage treatment system. Annex 6, Regulation of Prevention of Air Pollution from Ships. The newest annex, adopted in 2005, addresses the prevention of air pollution from ships through energy efficiency measures, restriction and emission of sulfur oxides, nitrous oxide, and other pollutants. It includes requirement for exhaust gas cleaning system, such as scrubbers, and the use of low sulfur fuel and alternative fuels. In summary, MARPOL 7378 and its annexes work together to ensure protection of marine environment by regulating the preventing of the ships through various measures and guidelines. That's all. Thank you.